to nearby Portugal now. Roubaix Race. National champion this year and last year in Portugal. Now to Ireland, Ryan Mullen here. We'll just see if Ryan can do something special. National Road Race champion, national time trial champion for the past 2 years, an en-post rider, professional, and people are expecting something rather special from Ryan. Back in 2012, he finished 9th in the junior time trial, and he's got a fine body frame on him there. Campbell Flakemore from Australia takes the start here now. 4th in this event last year. The unlucky man not to medal. He took it well, I have to say. But he is a very, very good developing time trial rider. He won the prologue this year, the Tour de l'Avenir. That gave him the race lead for a day. And he also finished 2nd in the Oceania Time Trial Championships. And Campbell Flakemore could well deliver something special here. There's only one rider left to go now, Stefan Kueng. He closes down the starters, all 63. And now it's a matter of seeing who can take the gold medal. Looks like Ryan Mullen, he's gone through with the best time. At the checkered 12.2 kilometres, the Irish rider Ryan Mullen has knocked Andreas Vangsted off the leaderboard with a 13 minutes 42 second performance. This is Campbell Flakemore now, going for the 12 kilometre time point. The time of Mullen 13:42. Flakemore's right in there, 2nd place, 20 seconds off the pace, 14:02 for Campbell Flakemore. This is now Ryan Mullen here, and we're heading towards the 23.3. Now this is going to be the next marker on the board here. It looks like he's hanging in well, Ryan Mullen, because he's going to go through with the best time at the second check as well. 27:42 for the Irishman. Well, this is the man who's going to set the record at the moment, because Rees is aiming at 44:38. He's going to beat Louis Meintjes. He's going to assume the #1 position here, the champion of Portugal, as he hits the line. Best time, 44:09. Very, very good ride indeed by Race of Portugal. As we now pick up Campbell Flakemore out on course here, showing the 3rd best time at the second check. And having just left that check where he got to it in 28:03, he's now running for the finish. Now we're waiting for the arrival now of Ryan Mullen, and here he is. The clock has just gone through 43.5 minutes. So this is the time he's looking for. He's got to beat 44:09. The time of Rees. He's going to absolutely blow it out of the water here at 100 metres to go to the line now. The Irishman has done everything possible here. It's been a terrific ride, leading at all of the checkpoints. 18 seconds of the good. 43:50 for Ryan Mullen. A new leader in the house, and every indication it could be the first ever gold medal by an Irishman in the under-23 men's time trial. Evtushenko is the next rider to come in, as we expect. And here he is now, the tall, lanky Russian, turning into the home straight, 19th in 2013. And I think we'll find he's improving that. But look at this, for 2 minutes, the bridge. Campbell Flakemore's got himself a nice carrot now to grab those seconds and chase him down. Our camera's going to concentrate on Flakemore here. There's the time, 43:50. It's been a desperate last few kilometres for Campbell Flakemore. He's got the added attraction now of chasing here the rider in front of him, Evtushenko, as 43:50 his target. Is he going to get it? You can see the finish, but can he actually cross in time? And the answer is going to be yes, he can. He has stolen it with a tremendous ride, and Mullen cannot believe what he's seeing. What a return that has been by Campbell Flakemore, and the dream games go on for the Australians. A gold in the women this morning and a gold in the men this afternoon, and gone the disappointment of a year ago when Campbell Flakemore took the 4th place and no medal. Now it'll switch rapidly to see the arrival here of the last man in this under-23 World Championship. 43.53 has passed by, and so too has the gold medal. As he just gets inside, he knocks Rees off. After all of that, the Portuguese rider finishes only 4th. Campbell Flakemore moves from 4th a year ago to the gold medal, and Australia stay on top in these World Championships.